In a few previous training videos, I slightly introduced you to what's called the organizer. As you recall, it's a screen where you can go into it where it has a bunch of tools that allows you to copy, delete, and rename project elements like your calendars, reports, tables, and views. As you recall, for example, when you come up here and click on the View menu, how we created a couple of custom views here. Well, if I want to remove them, how do I delete them? Or if I want to rename them? Also, think of it this way. When you create your custom views or reports, they're only available in the project where you created them in. So if I go ahead and click on a new blank button, or I open up another project, they're not going to be there. I have to go back to my original project. So if I want to be able to take those custom reports and views and add them to every new project, or maybe just specific projects, you can do that from the organizer. So let's go ahead and go to the organizer, and there's quite a few ways you can get to the organizer. I'm just going to show you two. One way is to come up here, click on the View menu, go down to More Views, and there's the organizer. Think of it this way. You've got a bunch of views here. Do you want to organize them, rename them, delete them? Go ahead and click on the organizer, and there it is. And here in the organizer, it puts you on the View tab, but as you recall in previous training videos, when I slightly introduced you to the screen, it has many different elements that make up project. Not only views, but custom reports, tables, filters, maps, and so on. So that's one way to get to the screen. The other way, let me close out, is to come up here, click on the Tools menu, and then go down to the organizer. So basically the two ways I'm showing you is through the Tools menu, or you'll find a screen or many screens where you'll see the organizer button. Go ahead and click on it, and it takes you to the organizer screen here. So you have the different project elements here, like your reports, your views, your forms. As you'll notice, let me go back to my views here. And then on the View tab down below, you've got two boxes. Over to the left, you have the global template. Over to the right, you have the name of the current project that you have opened here. Organizer, organizer. The global template is anytime you create a new blank project, these are the default views that are going to come with it. Or go to the reports, the default ports that will be listed in every new project you create. And you'll notice over here, we have a few custom reports that's only available in the organizer. I mean, do you see them over here? No. I mean, you can scroll up and down, but this is alphabetized, so baseline interim dates, not available. If I want to make that available in every new project, then I can come over here, select it, and copy it over. I can also do that with the views or any other element up here, okay? So you can go ahead and create your custom reports and views and forms or anything else in your project. Just remember to come to the organizer, and if you want it available, not only in your current project that you have open, which is my organizer project up here, but you want it available in all new projects, then go ahead and copy it over. Of course, you can rename it, select it, rename it. I won't. And you can delete it as well. Well, that's easy enough to understand, and we'll test it in just a second, but what if I don't want some of the custom views or reports that I created in my organizer project here to be available in all new projects? Let's just say I want it available in another project that I have somewhere on my desktop. Well, what you need to do is you need to open up both projects. So you've got the organizer project open. Go ahead and open up the second project where you want to copy what you have in the organizer or the project you have open here into your other project, because down below you can click on the drop down arrows and notice that the only two views that you get is the global template and the other single project that you have open. So of course you can close out of here, leave this project open, go ahead and click on the open button here on the standard toolbar. Come into your folder here, my exercise folder, and let's say that I want this view also available in the hyperlinks project. Go ahead and double click on that, and then pull up the organizer. Tools to organizer. Again, over on the Views tab down below, the global template will always display over on the left-hand side, and then over on the right, the current project that you have opened. Well, I've got two open, but this is the one that I'm in right now. You can click on the drop-down arrow. We also have the organizer open. We've got the hyperlinks open. So I just need to leave one open. Let's leave the organizer open, and then change this from global template to the hyperlinks, and then go ahead and say I want my task progress sheet to be copied over to the hyperlinks, okay? In fact, let's go back to the global. Let's also do my task progress sheet, copy it over to the global. Now let's test it and see if it works. Go ahead and close out of here. It should be now available in the hyperlinks. Click on the View menu. There it is, my task progress sheet. Let's go ahead and click on the New Project button. Let's see if it's here. Click on the View menu. There it is, My Task Progress Sheet. Cool. So all I have to do is to get rid of it, Let me go ahead and close out of that project there. I've got my hyperlinks open. When you click on the window menu, it shows you the two projects that you have open right there. You can toggle back and forth with, or come down here on your taskbar. Go ahead and click between the two projects, of course. In any case, in each new project, if I don't want my task progress view there, then I can come back up here, Tools, to Organizer. There's my global template. There's my task progress sheet. Go ahead and delete it. Are you sure? Yes. When I close out and click on the new project button, let's click on the view menu. Nope, it's not there. My task progress sheet. Excellent. So let's go ahead and close out of that and quickly go back to Tools, to the Organizer. As a refresher, it's not just views, but it's reports as well. So whatever you want to copy from one project into the global template or to another, just make sure that you open up as many projects as necessary so you can toggle back and forth between those projects, the Organizer, what's available in there, what's available in the others, and then copy them back and forth. Of course, you can rename them, delete them, and so on. Thanks for watching. Hey, as a quick reminder, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also click on me and subscribe to my channel, get notified of the latest videos, and for only $2 a month, you can have access to all my Microsoft Office training videos.